One bright sunny day on the beautiful world of fairies, there are a group of friends who meet two other fairies. The two fairies always being naughty inside the fairy world. And here's their story.
Come on, let's play.
Sure, what please? I think we should play hide and seek.
Sure.
Then they play happily. Suddenly, the two fairies came.
What a beautiful place for us to play.
Yeah, that's true.
Who are you? Are you the two new fairies?
Yes, we are the two new fairies.
Welcome.
But the fairies doesn't know that these two new fairies are naughty. They play so much that they could destroy the fairy world.
What are they doing? They're destroying our nature. Come on, let's tell our mother fairy what they are doing. Mother fairy, mother fairy!
Have something to say.
The two new fairies are destroying our nature. Look! What is it, mother fairy?
Why did you destroy our nature? Because of that, you will suffer a consequence. But why, Mother Fairy? Because you destroy our nature.
What happened to us?
May boro pa sige maboy.
Why do you muscle?
Yun the missing part.
Mother fairy punish you. Both of you should do a task. A good manner and right conduct.
Gemma.
Mercy? I'm tired.
Me too. It's not great.
Yes, it's really not great.
You have done one task. You've already got 4 tasks left to do.
Yes!
I don't wanna be a boy anymore.
I miss the fairy world. I miss the fairy looks. I want to be a girl again.
Yes, I quit.